ChatGPT may be coming for our jobs. Here are the 10 roles that AI is most likely to replace. All right. So we need to be thinking about, instead of these replacing the jobs, how can we as marketers improve it? All right. Why are we essential? So owners can't say, well, Chat GPT is here, why should I hire you? But here's the ones that people are saying are in trouble: coding, media, okay, legal industry. And so I read a really interesting article. This is just kind of side note that it can act as lawyers, and there's some apps where you can use AI to help you in like traffic court, and you can turn on your phone as an app and it'll listen. It's insane. But I also read another article that talked about the importance of trained lawyers working with ChatGPT to create legal briefs. Now, maybe lawyers won't be able to charge as much. Maybe you'll be able to get better legal representation or whatever with court documents with ChatGPT, but it's still going to take trained lawyers using it. Just like for marketers, it's going to take us trained people using it as well. Finance job, traders, graphic designers. Have you guys been playing around with the graphic design AI where it's text to speech, where you text in and you say, I want this thing, create this thing, and it creates it? We need to do an upcoming training about that. Accountants, customer service. And then here's another one. Chief marketing officers are starting to embrace Chat GPT, all right, and seeing it as a tool. That's what we've all been talking about, is it's a tool. And there is growing this kind of new thing called Chat GPT prompt engineering. If you look up on Fiverr or Upwork, it's becoming a thing. And kind of the idea is that you can create prompts, you can create ways, that can be kind of a cut and paste to offer to restaurants. So think of yourself as an engineer. What are the things you could create? What are the templates? Generate, you could take the menu, copy and paste the menu, now update it. You could come up with all kinds of templates, and we're going to be talking about more and more of those as you go. But just this prompt engineering is a big thing. Here's another one. This is one that we've done here in the last week, is using it to create proposals for restaurant marketing services. This is one that we have, and ChatGPT created this. I put in what we were going to offer, the different things, and then I kept having it rewrite it with different sections and different headings. And this is what it came up with. And this is Canva. Took this into Canva. Super simple. If you guys want to steal this, feel free to steal this. This is one of our packages that we have. That's $997. You can see the kind of phases of attracting, where we're using Facebook ads and building we're getting awareness out there. Then we're building a database with lead generation. And then we're converting people. All right. How do we get butts in seats? And then this is what I call the investment. All right. So think about it as an investment. So this is just one of the plans, but this was generated by ChatGPT. So think about how you can take some of your proposals or your ideas of offerings and kind of, dress them up, give it a little polish. All right. So I'm curious how you've used ChatGPT. Tell me below. Love to hear some of your ideas as well. So, and also I'm very curious, what's the number one challenge that you're facing right now? All right. What is it with ChatGPT? Is it finding the time? Is it not knowing what prompts to use? Is it coming up with creative examples?